The ultimate test lead kit for the professional diagnostic technician, which features a wide variety of leads, adapters, and terminal connectors. 1000 volt Cat 2 38 alligator clips with an extra wide jaw opening. Durable electroplated banana sockets and insulated OEM terminal sizes. Stainless steel probe tips with polypropylene bodies for superior strength. Used to test and diagnose sensors, valves, circuits, harnesses, injectors, solenoids, and more. It's compatible with Asian, domestic, and European vehicles and works with digital multimeters and oscilloscopes. It has a hard case with extra storage room for components, multimeters, or additional test equipment. Cover everything you need with this professional test lead kit. Available from your local Cornwell dealer.